All right, so here's the simple truth. Frogs can make unique and fascinating pets. Some species are easier to care for and more suitable for beginners. So here's a few of the best pet frogs, okay? Number one is the African dwarf frog. First place. These small aquatic frogs are great for beginners. They live their whole life underwater and only come up to breathe. They're active and fun and they're fun to watch in aquariums. Number two now. White's tree frog, also known as the Dumpy Tree Frog. This species is friendly and easy to care for. They're calm, they don't mind being handled gently, they can live up to 15 years with proper care. Number three is the Pacman Frog. Named for their round shape and big mouths, Pacman frogs are large and have interesting colors. They don't move much and are more of a look but don't touch pet, since they don't like being handled. Number four is the red-eyed tree frog, known for their bright red eyes and colorful bodies. These frogs are beautiful, but need a bit more experienced owner, okay? Because they need a warm, humid environment, and they love to climb. So when choosing a pet frog, make sure that you do the research to care for their specific needs, like their habitat, their diet, their temperature, and to keep them healthy and happy.